Hello and welcome back to Allie Bricks. In today's video we're building Mia's treehouse. This set has 351 pieces and comes with 2 minifigures. Now as we get started, you can see that this set comes with a manual, 3 bags, a little sticker page, and then some extra pieces that are just a little bit too big to fit into the bags. And we will start, of course, by building our minifigures. Here is Mia in one of her brand new outfits, looking adorable, still wearing her green shorts. And then we have another fun character. This is Mia's brother. His name is Daniel. And both Daniel and Mia are going to hang out with us while we build the set. We'll just put them back here so they can watch while we work. But Daniel also comes with another fun piece, and this is his skateboard. So this first piece that we're building is a little garden area. Mia is super into nature. She loves hiking, she loves playing in her garden. And so we're building this little garden that also comes with a little house, and you'll see who it's for in just a moment. Add some pretty flowers here, and also really fun, we get to add carrots to the garden. So in Mia's garden, she doesn't just do flowers, she also does veggies. So did the carrots give you a hint of who's hanging out in the garden? It is a little bunny friend. There he is. Mia likes to share her carrots. Now, if Mia is going to have a tree house, then we have to have a tree. So let's go ahead and get started on the base of the tree. Looking good so far, so now we're going to add some flowers to the bottom of the tree just to make it look very pretty. Good, so we've made this platform bigger so we can go ahead and start adding more parts to the tree here. It's going to get bigger and bigger as we go. And now you can see as we add these last few pieces at the bottom of the tree that we actually have a hollow tree at the bottom. So that's a really fun little place that maybe Mia and her brother can hide out in. Our tree is alive and flourishing, so we're going to add these beautiful flowers. I really love this purple. It's so pretty. And someone is curious and coming to check it out and see how we're doing so far. Don't worry, Daniel, we've got it. Now this is Mia's treehouse, and she doesn't want her pesky brother coming in. So the first thing she puts up is this keep out sign. I think it's for Daniel. What do you guys think? After these two platforms, we get to move on to bag number 2. Now this piece is one of the most exciting pieces in the set. It's this cool little netting or rope type thing for Mia to climb up to get to the top of her treehouse. Whoops, those flowers just keep popping off. We'll just put it back on. There we go. And now we're actually starting to build the house part of the tree house. Lots of fun little pieces in here, and we're starting to see more of Mia's signature colors, which are blue and green. Oh, and isn't this exciting? Who wouldn't want to hang out in a tree house where there's pizza? So we're going to put a little table there, and our pizza goes right in the middle. I love putting stickers on Legos. It's one of my favorite parts. Now these pieces are going to form the doorway. There we go. And we even get these cute little windows. Whoever built this treehouse is amazing. I think Mia probably got some help from her best friends. And finally, we get to put a door on our treehouse. And it also comes with this little lock on it. I mean, Mia has a keep out sign, so I'm pretty sure she has a lock on her door. These cute little pieces are what we're going to use to hold up our balcony. This treehouse even comes with a balcony. It's so fabulous. Okay, so time for another sticker, and this one, as you can see, is a beautiful picture of Mia and her brother Daniel. They may not always get along, but she still loves her brother, so of course she has a picture of him and her hanging in her treehouse. It's always fun, the little details inside these Lego sets. So we have a little Heart Lake City mug. I love Heart Lake City. That's gonna go right there. And I think that back piece is maybe like a soda can. And then we have a walkie-talkie so Mia can contact the girls. And then, of course, on the other side of the treehouse is another wonderful portrait. I like to think that this one was painted by her friend Emma. There we go. And just when you thought it could not get any better, we have another level to the treehouse. So we have 2 stories, and we're going to go ahead and open up bag 3 and finish this up. I think it's a great idea to have more than one way to get up into the treehouse. So we have this hanging ladder. Now here is the very tip top of the treehouse. And up on the very top of the treehouse, Mia has this little treasure chest with her favorite things inside. We'll see those in a moment. But we also have a treasure chest down here at the bottom. And let's go ahead and fill those up. So this first bit is a little newspaper of Heart Lake City, a basketball. I think this is some kind of gardening tool. And then we have a pair of scissors. Those probably come in handy often. Now this is one of my favorites. This is a water gun. There we go. And Mia keeps this handy to keep away the riffraff. Okay, so some more cute little things to put inside. This is the inside of a book. And as you can see, it's kind of a spooky book. I think this is a scary story book. And this is fun for nights, maybe when Mia might have some friends over to spend the night in the treehouse. You gotta have scary stories, right? So that's gonna go right inside. And to read the scary stories, we're gonna have a little flashlight. So let's put that together. And as I mentioned before, the top of the treehouse has Mia's special things. So we have what looks like a love letter, a boomerang, a map of Heart Lake City, her favorite place. And on top of the box is this do not open, do not touch sign. So we know that no one's supposed to go in there but her. Maybe her best friends too. And we're just about finished, but because Mia loves nature so much, she of course built a little place so that birds can enjoy her treehouse as well. So right at the very tip top we have a little birdhouse. And looks like this bird is an expectant mama. And then a last couple little details here. So Mia thought of everything. We have a little roof here. It opens and closes, so we could let the sun shine in on some days, but if it rains, then we can close it up as well. All right, now this is the very last detail before we get to play. Have you figured out what this is yet? This is maybe the most fun detail of this set, and it is a zip line. Now there's 3 ways to get out of the treehouse. And this is the part that's most exciting for Daniel and Mia. Who's gonna get to try it first? Finishing touch, Mia plants her flag on the top of her house. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!